Hi, I'm Kim Nathanson.
And I'm Holly Hoffner with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Arizona Properties.
And we're excited to introduce you to our newest listing in Cave Creek and the fabulous neighborhood of Monte Vista.
Let's take a look. Located on a prime cul-de-sac lot overlooking desert open space and built in 2014, you'll love the fresh new feeling this open and spacious floor plan with over 2,200 square feet has to offer.
The open kitchen has plenty of cabinetry, 6-burner Jenn-Air gas stove and hood, a walk-in pantry, huge island, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The kitchen overlooks the comfortable family room where everyone can gather for a movie or sit by the fire on chilly Arizona nights.
You'll love the roomy master suite with a bath that boasts dual sinks, separate tub and shower, and large walk-in closet with custom built-in drawers and shelving.
The split floor plan is ideal for family members and guests, which includes an expanded front bedroom and walk-in closet. The bonus room has built-in shelving and is perfect for a home office or reading room.
Are you artistic or athletic? The additional space in the garage can be used for a workshop, art studio, or fitness area.
If all that alone wasn't enough, the lush backyard is a true dream come true, including a sparkling pool, garden area, citrus trees, and covered patio. All this, plus enjoy the privacy and supreme location overlooking the desert open space.
Not only a great home, but this gated community is top-notch with many parks, a basketball court, playgrounds, multi-use paths, and HOA-sponsored events.
The nearby amenities of JW Marriott Resort and Spa, Desert Ridge Marketplace, and High Street are just minutes away. If you want more information on this gorgeous home or you'd like to schedule a private showing,
please contact us at the numbers below or visit us on our website at montevistalife.com.
Cheers!